Hey guys, I got a Mark SD card, so let's begin because I'm gonna have to do this on every single thing. And I got the new 120 gigabytes SD card because I lost my SD card. Let me put that to my camera. Give me a sec. This is a new one. This is an Ultra Sandisk one. Let me put that. Oh, it's at the memory card error, so we're gonna. So format, just ignore this phone keep being sucks anyways. Format card, all data, yes, I don't care. Let me do whatever the hell I want before this phone completely does that. It's gonna be this little flash. I just get to busy. It's gonna be busy and it's a little formatting is complete. You can see everything in my data is fine, and it's not gonna put here's auto. Here's everything because I make the ISO 100 because don't ask how because I like doing the ISO low because I know the auto is better. Well, obviously for this camera. So bye.